how to log in to Stumble Guys using Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can log in to Stumble Guys using Facebook in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Stumble Guys app on your device, and once you have opened the game, simply tap on the friends option from the menu. And after that, in the next page, you will see the button that says connect to Facebook to easily find friends. So simply tap on it. And after that, you will be redirected to the Facebook. So you can simply tap on continue as your account name to confirm your account. And after confirming, your Stumble Guys account will be successfully linked to Facebook. And now you can easily connect and play with your friends. And that's all there is to it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.